If you want to increase your font size in your Yahoo Mail, then this is how you're going to do it. So first step, you're going to head over to your mail.yahoo.com and then you're going to make sure that you're signed into your account. Now from your dashboard or your inbox, you're just going to head over to the left side panel until you see this more button, or you can see it as this three dots icon. Now from there, you're just going to click on settings from the dialog box that'll appear. Now from here, you're going to click on the writing email from the left side panel once again, and then from here, you're going to once again scroll down. Now you're going to click on this font size right here under the default rich text font section, and then once you click on this, a drop down will appear. Now from your current font size, you're just going to increase it to however you want. You can do small, medium plus, large, extra large, as well as the huge one. So you can just choose whichever works for you. So for example, I'm just going to choose medium for this one, and then once you set it to medium, you don't have to press or to click on any save buttons. It will just immediately turn into that font size. And that's it. That is how you're going to change or increase your font size in your Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.